All right, yo, what's up? Gonna go over pre-week analysis. I know it's a little bit late. Sorry for that, but just got busy. Just now getting to it. Not a lot that I'm seeing. Right, gonna go over this weekly breakdown later too. I took a trade last night, lost. It's fine. It is what it is. But as you can see, GJ completely fucking bearish. Completely bearish. We are reacting off this, demand level, I would say, on the daily, but doesn't mean we have to go up. I do think we are, right? We started creating this bullish type of formation, right? And that's why I did take buys the other night. Did it go well? No. I kind of know why, but gonna go over that later, of course. As you can see, we're still kind of in an area where we still can go up, but we don't have to, right? Going into GA. GA is looking a bit right? We kind of swept these highs. Actually, it's looking better than what it did the other couple days, or Monday. We're starting to create this bearish type formation, right? Starting to look like we're going to sell off, and we got no problem with that, right? Because I do want to see price fill in this area, right? At least to, we actually got to 50% of this range, so we could actually just buy back up from here. Do I think we are? No, I think we're going to come down a little bit more into discount prices. But we'll see, right? We'll see. We clearly had this big push, so I will probably be looking for some type of demand, supply, which could be here, could be even here. It just, there's a lot going on right now. So I think with next couple hours going into London, going into Wednesday, I will be able to see where I'm gonna take those sells from. All right, going into GU, gonna start in the 4-hour, of course. Clearly bearish, but we are coming down into an area where it looks like we could end up respecting this demand and coming back and taking out these highs, right? This is a, hold on. This is a strong low. So if we did break this low, we probably will continue bearish and take this low out. But because we did break this high, I do expect price to kind of reverse back up. But it doesn't have to, once again, right? As you can see, we kind of had a nice rejection, still ended up crashing down, sweeping these lows. But again, the next couple hours are really going to show if we're going to end up buying or selling. AU's been looking shit. Not really, but again, we are bearish, right? This reaction right here kind of tells me that we might end up going bullish. Why? Because it's just such a big wick. Might have been a news candle, but either way, we swept lows down here. Gonna look for some type of bullish formation going into the rest of the week, right? As you can see, we kind of start having this internal like fractal structural breaks, but again, we're not showing anything significant. I'd want to see another break of this high just to show me that price does end up does end up going bullish, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Other than that, EU was looking at this trade earlier last night, did not take it, would have been up in profit, still floating right now. I don't know if price is going to continue to go my direction. It could, but we don't know, right? Drawing up the fib, we did not make it to the 50% mark, so there's still a chance that price does come pull further back down into price, maybe down into these demands, and then we'll see a nice push up, right? Just to take out this weak high, and we'll more than likely hold at this strong low, right? So we're looking at that. But other than that, last we got CAD on the 4-hour, looking bearish right now, as you can see. Yeah, we're looking bearish. We still got a lot to fill in, not a lot of inefficiency, but we do have this overextended price, I'd say. So I do expect price to come back to at least the 50% mark, the equilibrium, which it already has. So we could end up taking off from there, or we could come down into further discounted prices, then we're buying back up, right? But right now, going into tomorrow, if I do see a nice setup as far as some liquidity built up like this, maybe some highs, and then we get that supply gets respected, I'm gonna sell off, right? Gonna sell off to these lows, but we'll see in due time. So short analysis real quick, just off the top of my head, just what I'm seeing right now going into the rest of the week. Again, just kind of a lot of indecision, waiting on price to kind of do its thing throughout the night, and the next couple days. Wednesday, if there's a lot of news, I expect that that I won't trade, and then that price will get a lot of movement. But there's not that much news, so I will trade tonight too, and see where that goes. May not take any trades, but it's fine. We took one trade already. It was a GJ, lost. totally fine. Gonna go into the rest this week, looking for the same setup, right? Same execution, same everything, and hopefully we can capitalize.